Okay, so you are welcome to the class of creativity and design. And today, like I said, for those of you who are just coming in, this is the bag that we made from our design last week. We did some envelope design. We passed that design to this design. And this is a big bag that you can put your computer and your book to class. This is one of them. You can take a look at it. So that's the big one. And we have the smaller one as well. So that's the small one. Also, there's a purse that goes along with that. And you can see the purse like I've shown it to you guys. That's the purse. There's a small purse and there's a smaller one right there. Now, you can use old materials, not really recycle them, but create with them. That's the language. Create, and that's part of adaptability development goals. Ability to look into your environment, to look for product or values that you can use to create. Some of the materials that you see over there, they are product or values because even though it's not value to somebody else, we've adapted that, we've adopted that value to another form of use. So you can see how that's working. So today we're going to start with our topic, which is creative production, and we're going to focus on design mind game. We're going to design a game here. Also, I've brought the drone. I've brought the drone for our engineering students, and the engineering students will be working on the drone today. They'll be working on the drone for their design mind game. The engineering students will be working on the drone. Also, we'll be working on our own design mind game, and this is the board for the design mind game, and the design will go on there. And also, we'll be learning about framing, how to frame for image, to make a mirror frame, and so on. Okay? So, the first thing we're going to start with is the mirror framing of a mirror. Now, we all know that mirrors are very, very important. We use it every day. On our laptop, on our cell phones, you're looking at it right now. So the demand for mirror will continue to increase. And you have to remember what mirror gives us. It gives us ability to see our true nature. And most of the expression that comes out of our mouth, once we see our image, is either beautiful or handsome. Yes. So today we are going to learn how to frame one. And for you to frame a mirror, you will need to get some tools. And you can see like this now. You have the cartons, you see them being thrown away somewhere, but you can always get them, the good ones, and cut them to the size. It can be a life size mirror. You understand what I'm saying? But still you have to do that. Also, you have to go to the market and use your space intelligence to know where you can get some of these framing materials. It's available, it's not something that is scarce. It's right there in the space of creativity. So what we need to do is that you can see I also have this product here. This product will enable us to do the finishing to the back of the mirror. You understand? Instead of just saying this, it looks cheap, it looks shady, you understand what I'm saying? So we need to be able to do a good finishing to the back. And here you can express your name, you can even do some artistic expression and so on here. In other words, we are adding value. Do you understand what I'm saying? So what we're going to do now is I'm going to show you an example of frame. But before we do that, we need somebody to help us express something at the back of this. So what I'm going to do is, let's just get, let me get a marker. So please, who wants to help us write something at the back? Okay. So what you just do is that, remember now, wherever you write at the back, you can write something about this class. You see what we are going to be doing for the webinar. You see how, write something about the class. Just maybe a word or two, something you plan. Write it there, so you can pass it on to somebody to write. But make sure it's at the back here. Let me have this one. And you can pass it on so that I will start doing the framing for this. So now what we're going to do is, so now I'm going to start the framing and you're going to see how this works. Now after cutting this to size, you also have to be able to connect and make sure that your framing is also something that is affordable, accessible, and durable. Now, there's another form of framing that you can use. You can use the closed framing. You know, like the steering of the car. You know, we saw that thing, like the cloth material for it to cover it. You can use for mirrors. You are not bound to one direction. You can use your creative imagination to create the framing of the mirror. So, but in this case, I'm just going to use this one for the purpose of our creative production. So, what I'm going to do now is that as she's writing, are you done? So that we can add it to the back of the mirror before we do framing. So, everything has been cut into size. Everything has been cut to size. Okay. So she said creativity as well. Okay. So we're going to do this at the back of it. You understand what I'm saying? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add that expression to the back. So you can imagine instead of this, adding this as a finished product adds what? Value. Also, even an educational value. You can use a lot of space to talk about this class. So you are also using it as well as a form of advertisement. Do you understand what I'm saying? You can add your name, your phone number, and so on. So it's also a form of advertisement. And you have to remember people buy a lot. So for this particular case now, what we have to do is start with this, and you just have to fit this into it. It's not a difficult process. So just make sure that it fits into it. Okay? And then you can wrap it all around. So what you do is just take your time, don't rush it, and wrap it all around and to fit in. So there you go. And you can see the finished product. Can you see the finished product? So you see what she has expressed is at the back. But when you go to market, you buy a mirror sometimes you see the catalog and stuff like that. I mean, you're a creative student and you should be able to do better. You can even do better than this, but I'm just using it to pass the message on. So now you see what you have has been expressed over here. It could be an artistic drawing, it could even be a computer printout that you can add to add value. And your mirror is standing. And somebody will pay you 200, 400, 500 for this. Right there. Can you see that? So that's how to create that. So now we have this as a product. I'm going to put it over here. And then we're going to quickly move to the next stage. And in the next stage, we'll be doing the design mind game. We're going to start the design mind game now. And in the design mind game, I already have the smaller one and I have the bigger one. So in the design mind game now, we're about to start with the same process, but before we do the framing, have to finish the design or what on this platform. So I will select maybe 2 or 3 students to just do the same thing she did. They will be able to express some things on this board before they do the framing. So let me now just stop this.